Since 1997, Truckload Carriers Association's Highway Angel program has recognized professional truck drivers who have selflessly helped others while on the job. One of these stories includes truck driver Zach Yeakley, who was named 2022 Highway Angel of the Year. According to truckinginfo.com, on March 17, 2022, around 8:15 a.m., Yeakley was driving to West Memphis, Arkansas, and had just crossed the state border into Charleston, Missouri. He heard on his CB radio that there was an accident up ahead. Then he saw smoke and a man wearing a safety vest flagging down drivers to alert them to the accident. That day, Yeakley helped rescue 6 crash victims from several vehicles. Police reported at least 6 fatalities from the fiery crash. Yeakley, who had been driving a truck for 4 years, said he wouldn't hesitate to jump back into the fire again to rescue the drivers, crediting his military training for preparing him for the experience.